Want this? You just need to follow these 5 simple steps, so let's get started. Step 1. Find the best quality of the clip you want to use. I'm using scenepack.com to get the best quality of Spider-Man brand new day trailer. This one is in 2K 24 FPS, so let's use this. Step 2. If you are cutting, editing your clips on CapCut, expect some quality loss when exporting videos. CapCut is not that optimized to not drop any quality when exporting. I suggest you use After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci, or even Filmora to cut your clips. I'm using After Effects for this video. Import your video and make your edit. I'm just going to cut 5 scenes. Step 3. Add any type of CC you have. If you want to use the same as mine, go check the link in description. Step 4. Copy my exact export settings. QuickTime, Apple ProRes 422, and export. Step 5. Import your video to Topaz Video AI Enhancer. Use my same settings. And now wait and let Topaz do its magic. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.